Architects, are you ready to elevate your skills? Discover the ultimate CFD simulation training package you can't afford to miss. Introducing Mr. CFD's Passive Ventilation CFD Simulation Training Package. For just $159, down from $980, you'll access 10 comprehensive projects using ANSYS Fluent, covering everything from windcatchers and atriums to solar chimneys and wind towers. This package is perfect for beginners and advanced users alike, offering step-by-step guides and all the files you need, geometry, mesh, and comprehensive training videos. You'll dive deep into both wind-driven and buoyancy-driven ventilation methods, mastering systems like turboventilators and PCM applications. With Mr. CFD, you'll transform your ability to design efficient, eco-friendly buildings. Need more support? Our experts are just an email or WhatsApp message away. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Click Add to Cart now and revolutionize your architectural designs with cutting-edge CFD simulations. Remember, free products are available to check our service quality. Reach out for expert consultations or project orders anytime. Upgrade your skills today with ANSYS CFD.